There are so many different career opportunities in manufacturing.
You can be an assembler.
You can work in a warehouse and drive equipment like forklifts.
You can work in customer service.
You can be an engineer.
You can work in robotics.
You can be an accountant or a controller.
You can be a computer programmer.
You can be a tool and die maker.
You can work in human resources.
You can be an administrative assistant.
You can be an electromechanical technician.
You can be in management.
You can be a welder.
You run a CNC machine.
You can be an equipment technician.
You can be a woodworker.
You can be in transportation.
You can work in quality control.
There are so many different paths you can take to work in the manufacturing industry.
A pathway to a career in manufacturing is not a one-size-fits-all.
You can do on-the-job training. Some companies even pay for your schooling.
You could attend a trade or vocational school for 1 or 2 years.
You can attend a 4-year degree or go to more school if you want.
There are also scholarships available for manufacturing companies that will pay for your schooling if you work for them when you finish school.
There are youth apprenticeships you can take advantage of to see if a manufacturing career is for you.
Most manufacturing companies will hire you part-time when you go to school.
Dream is to be a designer, work with robots, do accounting, or work with machines. Then manufacturing might be your dream. Let us help you find your future and start your dream.